I'm going to talk about Notion, a powerful tool that can help you with everything from note-taking to project management. I'll share with you some of the amazing things you can do with Notion and how you can use it as an AI tool to automate your tasks and get more done. Subscribe to Built for more AI tools to help you generate passive income. When I first discovered Notion, I was immediately hooked. I loved the flexibility of the platform and the ability to create custom templates to fit my needs. I started using Notion for everything, from tracking my personal finances to managing my work projects. Over time, I've learned a lot about how to use Notion effectively. I've created a number of templates that I use on a regular basis, and I've automated many of my tasks. I've also found that Notion is a great way to collaborate with others. If you're looking for a powerful tool that can help you be more productive, I highly recommend Notion. It's a versatile platform that can be used for a variety of purposes. In the description of this video, I'll include my affiliate link. If you use my link to sign up for Notion, you'll get a free bonus template. Here are some of the benefits of using Notion. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including note-taking, project management, task tracking, and more. It's highly customizable, so you can create templates that fit your specific needs. It's easy to use even for beginners. It's collaborative, so you can work with others on the same project. It's affordable with a free plan that offers basic features. Here are some of the ways you can use Notion as an AI tool. You can use Notion's AI features to create custom templates, automate tasks, and get more done. You can use Notion's AI assistant to help you with research, writing, and other tasks. You can use Notion's AI integrations to connect with other apps and services. If you're interested in learning more about how to use Notion as an AI tool, I encourage you to check out the resources in the description of this video. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Notion. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to use our link in description to sign up for Notion and get your free bonus template.